Hi, this is Raman from Trading with Venus. The other day I was talking to a trader who was really struggling with his trading strategy. Now, he knew a lot of trading setups because he had watched a lot of trading videos where they went over the setups. However, he was missing the overarching strategy around his trading. Now, this was the same struggle that I had years ago when I first started trading full-time. I was in the same place. I knew a lot of the technical trade setups. I knew what the different candlesticks looked like. I knew the double tops, double bottoms, but I still did not know how to put it all together. Now, that is the process that is missing in a lot of different courses and a lot of different videos that you will see on YouTube. Before we jump into our trading strategy and process, let's imagine you are a golfer and you're about to play in a major tournament. Now, you wouldn't just jump into golfing there. You would first walk the course and familiarize yourself with the conditions. Same thing applies to trading as well. We don't want to just come to our computers and open up our charts and just start placing trades because we are missing a lot of information. First thing we have to do is prepare. And how do you do that? We get the lay of the land by actually looking at news. So we need to understand what's going on in the market before we even get to the trading. And how do you do that? I would recommend looking at Bloomberg, Reuters markets page, and then you go to your Forex factory. You take a look at what kind of news is coming out, because if there is a high impact news coming out, we do not want to take a trade. If there's a monetary policy, central bank announcement, if there's an interest rate announcement, or non-farm payroll, FOMC, any of these things, these are high impact events and they always move the market. So we want to stay away from those crosses. So that's the first step. You get the lay of the land by looking at your news. Now, the second step will be to actually open your charts and look for trade setups. So we do this again for the next day. At the close of New York trading, we go into our charts and we look at how the daily candle closed. If we see a good trade setup, we mark that down because that will be one of the trade setups that we want to take for the following day. So at this point, I look for really good trade setups, and these are really simple. I'm not looking for any complicated stuff at this point. No MACD, no RSI or moving average crossovers. We're just looking at simple candlesticks. So we're just concerned about the one candlestick. Now, if we get a good candlestick, and what do I mean by that? So if we have a bearish engulfing candle, we have a pin bar, or we have a bullish engulfing candle, any of these candlesticks that actually show momentum in the market are the good ones to trade. So once you identify that candlestick, you mark it down as a trade setup you want to take for the next day. The next step would be to look for your support resistance levels. This is very simple. Again, we are keeping everything simple. Look for your support resistance level. Make sure you mark it on the daily chart, because when you drill down to a lower time frame chart, you want that support resistance from the daily chart. After you've marked your support resistance level, now you are done with your preparation. So next day, when you come to your trading platform, the first thing you want to look at is, again, check your news to see how things went. Did something change? Did something unexpected happen? How did it go? Then you go to your charts. You already have your levels marked on the chart. Now you can look for trade setups. So whatever your signature trade setups are, this will be your top 3 trade setups that you can see in the market. For me, it's simple things like pin bars, double top, double bottom, any of these setups. So pick 3 trade setups that you can really get good at, something that's simple, you can see. So on the 1 hour chart, we're just looking for these trade setups at the levels that we have already picked. So once you see a good trade setup, this is when we enter the trade and off we go. And the way I would set profit targets for this would be, again, our support resistance levels as well as the average daily range. So you just take a look at how much the pair moves on a given day. So for example, if euro dollar moves 100 pips, pips, maybe we want to grab 60 or 70 pips from that. And if we can do this consistently, that will be great trading profits. So again, this process overall is very simple. We're just looking for a single candlestick trade setup on a daily chart, support resistance on a daily chart, and then we go to an hourly chart and we take a trade and we just let it run, set up our profit targets, and let the trading market do the rest. If you would like to implement this strategy alongside me and my other students, I invite you to join me in my Turning Pro Challenge, which is completely free. The philosophy behind this Turning Pro Challenge is to adopt the behaviors and actions of professional traders so we are able to get the type of results they get as well. To join me, click on the link below to download your free resources for the challenge. But if you would like to upgrade your experience and get the full behind the scenes access, you want to join the Trade Vault. I'm getting personal and completely transparent in this challenge so that you can see the real roller coaster of trading. No other trader does that. With this, you will receive live access to my real trade account, updates on all the trades that I take, when I take them, with the take profit targets as well as stop loss. You will also receive my daily market analysis where I lay out the trade plan for the next day, as well as a spreadsheet that will show you the profit targets as well as the trades that I'm watching for the day, with over 20 pairs. My top 3 trades for the next day, as well as full access to me so you can ask me questions as well as see how I make live trading decisions. Usually this retails for over $1,500 a year. However, for this challenge, I'm offering it for just $9.97. As a bonus, you will also get access to my Learn to Trade Forex course as a free gift, just for taking the initiative to up-level your trading. This course, valued at $497, has helped hundreds of Forex traders get started, learn the basics, and jumpstart their trading career. The total value of this package is over $2,000. However, because I want all of us to crush our trading goals in 2020, I'm offering it for just $9.97. So click the link below to join. I know you can make 2020 your best trading year yet. Can't wait to see you in the challenge.